How do you see this lovely bag, side bag, cross body bag for guys? Yes, so I made it in bulk for some groups of royal ambassadors. So if you're organizing a conference for guys, for ladies, you can call me on +234 8. You can call me on +234 80 365 88365 +234 80 365 88365. It has front pocket, and if you like to learn it, you can go to my YouTube channel at Taron Innovative World. All right, so these are the rest, though not all. So you can always trust us here at Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and explore. We do beautiful things, bags, we're into bridals, we're into cakes, turban caps, and many more. For inquiry, call the number +234 88 365 88 365.